Hi there. Hey, it's Lisa Marie, bringing you 360 degrees of Huntington Beach's surf, sands, and sunsets. Super excited about this week's episode because we get to cover a lot of fun places. We're going to visit Pacific City, surf and weather. We're also going to go sea glass hunting. And we have a special, really cool feature today. This is homeowners who take a part of their home and they transform it into an amazing space. So we call it Behind the Door. And you're not going to want to miss this episode. It is absolutely off the charts. So let's take a look at everything we have this week in HB Happening. Pacific City is located on Pacific Coast Highway across the street from the pier on the south side. Now there's parking in the rear of the property. When you get a parking ticket, make sure you bring it to a vendor so they can stamp it and help you save a little bit on your parking fees. Our first stop today is Ola's. Ola's is located on the upper deck facing Pacific Coast Highway. They've got a great location, especially if you want to see sunset views. But today, we're going to go see how a cucumber margarita is made. Let's check it out. So, let's go visit Pacific City and check out their drinks. Come with me.
Welcome to Ola Mexican Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make our abriojos. It's going to be a cucumber jalapeno margarita. So first, add a couple wedges of cucumber, a couple jalapeno slices, and muddle those up. 2 ounces of tequila. 4 ounces of sweet and sour. Spice. Shake it up. All right. And then we've got a tahini rim here. And a lime garnish.
So when you come to Pacific City, there's a lot of choices to indulge yourself. Let's go to Blue Gold.
Hello and welcome to Blue Gold. My name is Jason and I'm going to be making you our cocktail of the week, which is Enter the Dragon. Starts off with 1.5 ounces of our dragon juice, 1 ounce of our whiskey, lavender bitters, and this is Enter the Dragon with Blue Gold.
What a great time I had out here. Love sharing all those drinks. Oh my gosh, Drink of the Week is on steroids this week. And hey, come out to Pacific City, enjoy the amazing views, all the people. Oh gosh, we live in paradise and we want you to come out and enjoy it as well.
Huntington Henry here. It's another awesome day in Huntington Beach. We have clear skies, an offshore wind out of the northeast at about 5 to 7 miles an hour, and that turns slowly onshore throughout the afternoon, no more than 10 miles an hour. The weather looks great on the beach today with air temperatures topping off on the sand at about 70 degrees. We had a morning low air temperature at 48 degrees. Sunrise was a little while ago at 6:54 a.m. and sunsets at 5:16 p.m. Days are getting a little longer. The surf. It's pretty good out there. We have 2 to 4 foot wave faces. We're on a slight increase throughout Tuesday, peaking on Wednesday, tapering off a little bit Thursday, Friday, Saturday, but surf's still hanging in there. The weather's going to be good too. Maybe a few clouds developing towards the weekend with some areas of fog possible, but we're looking at afternoon air temperatures on the sand 70 throughout the week and good weather here at the beach. Hey, I want you to join me on my YouTube channel, Henry Surf Showcase. That's Henry Surf Showcase on YouTube. All small letters, all one word. I'll be updating this report in the description section. So join me over there at Henry Surf Showcase. That's the latest from Huntington Beach. You guys have a great week.
So let's take a look this week behind the door. We have a homeowner who wanted to really expand their master bedroom. And so the husband came up with a fantastic idea. I think every woman wants a space like this. I know I did. So let me walk you through the before and the after behind the door. So when you walk into the home, you see that the dining room is right in front of you. And if you look up, there's high vaulted ceilings. And what the husband decided is to create a lower ceiling in the dining room, close off the top, close off the wall. Let's go upstairs. Let's take a look at what happened behind that door. We are entering the master bedroom, and the built-in shelves are in each side. And what's really cool is the left side is not just a shelf, it's a door. You've got a mirror right there, so if you're dressing, you've got a full mirror to take a look, when you're dressing. You also have all those shoes racks, and they're all adjustable. So if you've got boots, you can make the shelf lower. And of course, for your high heels and stuff, you can adjust lower. Now there's all these built-in drawers there, which is really kind of cool. And they're all soft close, which is really nice. And then you've got areas to hang all your clothing. And some storage areas above, which makes it really convenient. Quite a bit of space that you get out of this. Now remember, this is above the dining room where we saw it open. This is all, now it's all enclosed. So we've got custom wood work going on in here, which is nice. And also, when we take a look around, you'll notice as we move closer, there's an actual safe behind one of the doors. So if you need space for a safe, it's a great place to put it. On the left, you'll see a landline phone. So what's that all about? Well, this is also a safe room. Yes, when you close the door, there are 2 latches that lock from the outside in. And also the landline is in case you come into the room unexpectedly and you don't have your cell phone, then you also have a landline there, which is really cool. So if you've ever considered extra space for a closet and needed and added or wanted a safe room, this is a great way to do it. It's absolutely beautiful. And, the space was already there. They just had to close off the dining room. Pretty fantastic. Thanks for watching. I hope you really liked this episode. I did. The transformation was beautiful, and we'll see you next week. My favorite all-time things to do, I love sea glass hunting. I have been doing it for about 4 years and got started by my girlfriend who took me down to the beach, and I just fell in love with it. So I wanted to share with you, where do you find sea glass, why sea glass is so cool, and what can you do with it? So in Huntington Beach, along Pacific Coast Highway, we have estate and city beaches. And really, you can go anywhere. It's really about kind of timing. So when it's low tide, that's when your best chances to get sea glass. And also areas along the beach where there's a lot of pebble or rock on the shoreline between the shore and the edge of the water. Well, if you find a lot of rocks or pebbles there, a lot of times the sea glass gets caught up in it, and that's where you look. So you want to watch the tides, go when it's low, and if you're lucky, the best time to go is after a storm or lots of rain because it brings up a lot of debris. Speaking of debris, sea glass is considered trash, but I think it's a treasure. I've been collecting it, and I'll tell you what, You can use it and you can put it in all kinds of beautiful decor. So one of the things I do is I actually put it in glass, and you can also put a candle inside there, and it's beautiful. So I have a lot of these around my home. I absolutely love. And yes, this is all from Huntington Beach. All of it. It's beautiful. And then the other thing I did is I actually had jewelry made out of sea glass, and I wear it. It's one of my favorite pieces. So I've got this. Let me take it off for you. Really pretty. Look at that. I collected this along our beaches in red, one of the most rarest to find. Had it made into a piece of jewelry, and I absolutely love it. If you'd like to know more information on who made this for me, it was custom made. Happy to share it with you. Just send me an email at hello, you're Huntington Beach. Thanks for hanging out with me this week in Huntington Beach and giving you 360 degrees of this amazing community that we love. Whether you're visiting here in the future, whether you live here, or wherever you are in this world, I appreciate you coming out and watching this week's episode. So do me a favor, if you like, please like it, subscribe, share it with your friends, and we will see you next week. Thanks again. Have a great week.